what leadership skills did we practice? I'd love to hear from you. So what do you see are the leaderships that we practiced in that icebreaker exercise that we did?
It's engagement, because it's like a lot of us said that it was kind of awkward at first, and then it kind of mellowed out, especially if you were talking with someone you don't usually talk with. And that right there is engagement in itself, because the awkwardness and that tension kind of doesn't matter anymore, because something more important is kind of being talked about.
Engagement for me equals connection. And that's what the world needs, right? Gallup polls saying that people are disconnected. Beautiful. And someone else wanted to speak. I think I saw a hand.
I was just like very bare minimum listening, interpreting what the other person is saying, and then being able to speak about that in a way that's accurately reflecting the way they feel, because I feel like sometimes that's a little missed.
We're human beings. And that is often left out of school, of work, because leadership is about living our life. So let's talk a little bit about leadership. What is leadership? So far today, what was your interpretation of leadership coming into this meeting? And right now, where are you with your interpretation of what leadership is for you now? Yes.
But like for me, leadership is basically not helping find someone's voice because they already have one. It's just to like echo it louder, because that being a leader, you serve others. So you're basically like a megaphone for those who elected you into that position.
And you want to be a civil rights lawyer, is that right? There's that connection. Amazing. Thank you. Beautiful. Jackson.
Honestly, it kind of goes along with the last one, but it's more of a team effort, because you can't be a leader when it's just yourself, and you need other people to help you and to kind of be there for you to help lead.
Beautiful. So you each have an opportunity to co-create with others. So I heard that it's really important for you to engage, and I saw this on your surveys too, of what you want to get out of this day or this series. We build teams to fulfill promises in life that are bigger than what we can do by ourselves.